Every parent wants to create the best possible environment for their baby. A baby's every move, every gesture tugs at its parents' hearts. Is my baby hungry? Why is my baby crying? How can busy parents really know? We would all love to keep our eyes on our babies 24/7 if possible, and give them what they want right away to satisfy their needs. All that is possible now with a special helper, the Lollipop Baby Cam. The Lollipop Baby Cam is a truly intelligent and user-friendly baby monitor. It records your baby's every move and works perfectly with your smartphone. Lollipop also features a unique crying recognition system. The system will notify you with push video immediately, only when your baby cries, not due to the ambient sound. In addition, you can connect your smartphone to the baby cam to upload real-time images and pass them to other family members. The Lollipop also supports uploading pictures and videos to Facebook or other social media, so you can share your baby's cutest looks with your friends at any time. You can also use the Lollipop to play music to the baby through your phone. You can even snapshot your baby's lively and lovely face during their growing, and then produce a video showing your baby grow over a certain period of time. A better way to make sure you never miss a moment in your baby's life. To help you keep tabs on your baby's environment, the Lollipop has sensors that monitor the temperature, relative humidity, and air quality of your baby's surroundings. It not only shares the hard work of rearing a young child with parents, but improving their quality of life. The Lollipop Baby Monitor is your best choice. It creates a safer place and helps to watch your baby day and night.